This is the AccuQuilt GO that I received in the mail yesterday. I thought the easiest way to review and explain it would be to just create a video showing how to use it. This is what comes with it when you order on Amazon. It comes with one die that has 6 different shapes on it. The 4.5-inch square, the 2.5-inch square, and the half square that creates a 2-inch finished block. And then 10 by 10-inch cutting mat for it. But I'm not going to use that. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use a different die that I bought from the AccuCutter site, which is the 3.5-inch square that I use most frequently in my quilting. So this is what a die looks like. On the side they label what the die is, which is good because they all look the same. And then you have this cutting mat that it braces against. And how this works is there's cutters inside the die that whenever it goes through, the cutters will come up, cut through the fabric that's laying on top here, and will be stopped by this so you won't mess up the machine. And you just roll this through. So what I have here is just a piece of fabric that's your usual 44-inch from edge to edge that I got at a fabric supply store. And I'm going to fold that in half. It's been folded in half once already. So now you've got 4 layers of fabric, and I'm going to fold it in half again. So, got 8 layers of fabric there. I'm going to lay this here, line up everything, and lay this down on the die. So just over there, lay everything down flat, lay the mat on top, put it in. It says to kind of do it at an angle. I don't think that it's mattered so far, and about 8 layers is the thickest that supposedly it can handle. I'm keeping the back steady here. Remove that, pull the fabric back off, and so now I have perfectly 3-inch cut squares. And just for comparison, this is what I was using before with my rotary blade. It's an Omni Grip measuring tool that's 3.5 inches square, and as you can see, that is pretty darn close. Now the one downside is that you do have some wastage that gets used. I'm just using the differences for scraps, but just so that you can see, this is how much is left over on your fabric if you just use the 3.5-inch squares. Now they do have strip cutters, strip dies that just do 2 long strips side by side that probably has a lot less wastage, and I'll review that in a separate review.